to Mommy Fancy, and this time I'm going to share with you another video na not about cooking but another kaalaman na aking nalaman dito sa Taiwan or natutunan dito sa Taiwan, which is how to organize used plastic bag in another way naman. I shared already with you organizing used plastic bag, but this is another way. Before, I shared with you like this. Yan. Then I will be putting this lang into a container or another clean plastic bag. So this time, another way, which is like this. Yan. Parang tissue na gawa ko na kasi actually. Then, huhugutin lang siyang ganyan. Yan, nakalitaw naman yung susunod. Same. This one is large. This one is medium. So, nagawa ko na yung large and medium. I will be showing you na lang the extra small and the small one. Yan. Marami kasi sizes ang plastic bags, diba? So, kinakategorize mo by size. Para hugot ka lang ng hugot kung anong size ang kailangan mo. Ito large, kailangan ko mas malaki, large. Then, kailangan ko ng medyo maliit or tamang size lang is medium. And then, the small one and the extra small. Yan. Okay guys, let's start folding na our plastic. Yan. This is the extra small. Yan. Ganun lang, 1. First fold, 2. Dalawang folds lang. Ganyan muna natin. Fold muna natin sila lahat. Ganyan lang siya. 2 folds lang. Hindi naman nakita kayo. Hindi naman nakikita. Ayan. After folding like that, i-roll natin siya pataas. Ayan. Pa-roll siya, pa-roll. Okay? And then, sa dulo, like this. Kunin natin yung dalawang butas ng sando. And then, ipapasok natin yung the next one. The next plastic. Pasok natin siyang ganyan. And then, roll. Roll ulit. Keep on rolling lang. Yan. Same procedure lang. Hanggang merong plastic. Make sure plastic nyo naman is piliin yung malinis. Then, yan. Ganyan lang siya. Dugtong-dugtong siya para pag hinugot is lalabas yung kasunod. Not necessarily maganda naman ang pagkakaano kasi nasa loob naman siya and then huhugutin naman siya. So while watching guys, for those who are new in my channel, please do subscribe and like my video, share it if possible, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll get notified every time I'm going to upload new videos. Thank you so much. Ayan. Hanggat may plastic kayong i-organize. Yan. So, eto na guys. Na-roll ko na lahat. So, we'll put this inside this box. Ayan. If you have box, bubutasan nyo lang sa ibabaw. Just put a hole. Ayan, katulad ng ginawa. Ayan. So, let's put now here inside. Itong box na ito is maganda dahil meron siyang divider inside. So, we can put 2 sizes of the plastic bag. Okay? So, I'll put this inside here. Ayan, pa ganyan. And then, the other one, this one is the extra small. And then, this one is the small one. The other box is large and the medium. So, we put this, ayan, pasok natin sa butas. And then, cover it. Ganda itong box na dahil pinaglagyan lang ito ng gamot ni Lolo. So, meron na siyang dating butas. So, since this is doble ang kanyang cover, so, doble ang ating pagpapasukan. Ayan. So, there it is. So, diba ang linis? Ayan, guys. So, ito na. And then, nilagyan ko siya ng ladle. Ito, letter S, if you can see it. Ito yung small, ito yung extra small. Ayan. Ayan, extra small. Baliktad. Okay, so let's try it, guys. Or you can also hang this if you have cabinets. Yan, pwede nang ihang ng ganyan. So, itaas syempre. So, hugutin na lang ng pababa. Ganyan. Ganyan. Oh, diba? Sumungo na yung isa. Ganyan. So, yan. Na-invento na naman ni Cooking Mommy Francie. Natutunan dito sa Taiwan. Another kaalaman na aking natutunan dito sa Taiwan. Yung aking large in the medium, meron din siyang ladle. Ayan, yung ladle ko rin siya. Ito yung medium, ito yung large. Okay? So, ito na ang ating plastic bag. I love the large. A medium size. The large. Ayan. So, gumitaw na siya dyan yung mga dito. Extra small. And the small one. Okay, guys. Hope you like my video and learned something about it. So, thank you so much for watching. This is your Cooking Mommy Francie saying God bless as always. See you in my next video. Bye!